Hi crypto devs, Liarco here, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how fast and easy it can be to create, deploy and also manage an ERC721 collection using my latest tool released under the Ashlips lab. Let's get into it. Before we start, this is meant to be a speedrun video to show you how fast you can get as soon as you know how to use the software. But don't worry, this is just the first video of a series and I'm gonna go into details about all the steps and features, even the ones that I'm not gonna cover here. Okay, from now on there will be no cuts in the video, so wish me luck and let's go! First of all, I'm gonna go to the repo and I'm gonna use git, so I copy the address and I clone the repo in a my collection folder. I enter the folder, so my collection, and I open Visual Studio Code here. So I also need a terminal. I'm gonna split it so I can use the smart contract folder here, and I also install the dependencies, and I'm gonna use the minting DAPP folder here, and I need the dependencies in here as well. So while this is happening, I'm gonna open the configuration folder, and here is the configuration for my token, and let's wait for OK. So the dependencies are installed, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is actually renaming the contract. So a good name can be Fast NFT. Sounds great. Okay, it is already updated. So this is a Fast NFT, and I'm also gonna get my CID for the hidden metadata. Tokens are gonna be 12 in total, and I'm gonna leave the sales configuration as it is because I'm okay with that. Also, the stuff here is not gonna change. I'm gonna leave that as is, and in the whitelist I'm gonna put my own address, so I will be able to test the whitelist immediately. So I think we are almost ready to go. We just need to copy the .m file. So I'm gonna have my own .m file, which is pretty sensitive, pretty important, guys. Do not share the values in this file with anyone, because otherwise people are gonna get control over your wallet. So always pay attention to this. I also need the Etherscan API, and I'm gonna close this file, so I won't need it anymore. And now we are ready to deploy. Let's see if it works. It's a yarn deploy network ring-b. This is a test on the real network, so it takes some time, and while we are waiting we can also start the dev server. And we have the contract address. I can update it here, and if I update my DAPP, it seems like it's working and it's picking the right contract already. So let's see if ring-b is already synced. I'm always checking from the home page if the latest transactions have a lower value here, because otherwise Etherscan might be stuck. So in that case, it can take even hours for your contract to show up here. As you can see now, we'll probably have to wait a minute, about 40 seconds to see that. And while we wait, I can prepare the next command, which is yarn verify on the ring-B network. And here I'm gonna place the contract address. So let's see if the contract is ready. It's ready, so we can run the verify command, and it's gonna verify on Etherscan. We can see that it's still paused from the DAPP, so we can't mint. Can't wait to mint some tokens, guys. So waiting for verification result. Okay, contract verified successfully. I'm already running the whitelist open command for the ring-B network. So yarn whitelist open network ring-B, and here we should see that the contract is now verified. That's cool. And we now have to wait for the whitelist sale to be open. Okay, so the Merkle tree root hash has been updated, and also it's enabling the whitelist sale now. So the MetaMask provider is usually faster than Etherscan. So here we don't see the transactions, but from the DAPP, which is using MetaMask, we can already mint. So I'm gonna wait for the gas to be calculated, and I run the transaction for the mint. And now I prepare the command to close the whitelist. So the transaction is already confirmed from MetaMask. We can see that the supply is 1. And if I try to mint again, you can see that my address already claimed, so I can't. And that's correct. If I refresh here, we can see some of the transactions are slowly being picked by Etherscan. But let's see if OpenSea already sees my new tokens. We have a token here. Okay, so the whitelist sale is already closed. So let's open a pre-sale. Gonna open a pre-sale. Okay, it's changing the token price. I want to try to refresh the metadata. Because it's strange that it's not showing the image here. But I might have made some mistakes here pasting the hidden metadata URI, to be honest. Just gonna check that later. Okay, so the pre-sale is open. We can mint another 2 tokens. This is okay. This is live, and so let's see what happens if I try to see the hidden metadata URI. It says it's this one. We can troubleshoot that quickly. IPFS. Okay. It seems to work properly. So it's probably just OpenSea. Okay, so now it works. So it was not my fault. Now, I can move to the public sale directly without even closing the pre-sale. You know, the pre-sale and public sale are pretty much the same thing. The only stuff that is changing is the price and the max mint amount per TX. But the posing and unposing stuff is the same. So unless you're posing the contract when you switch between the sales steps, you can move from the pre-sale to the public sale by skipping the pre-sale close command. So now it seems that it worked. So here you can see the price is updated. We can mint. I confirm the transaction. And from here, from my profile, I should be able to see the other tokens. Here they are. So I can probably also open my collection here. It's called Fast NFT. So now that I know this, I can update the slug here, and the DAPP is gonna be rebuilt. And now we have 8 tokens out of 12. So we can mint, let's try to mint 5 tokens. Max supply exceeded, so we can't. Let's try 4. Okay. I want this collection to be sold out. So let's see what is happening here on Etherscan. We have a bunch of transactions. And the collection is sold out. We can open the page on OpenSea and all the tokens are here. We can just reveal quickly. So I can reveal. I don't even have to post the public sale. The tokens are now sold out, so nobody's gonna be able to mint again, not even the owner. But of course you can if you want. So the URI prefix is updated and the collection is revealed. As soon as this transaction has completed, we can go to our tokens and try refreshing the metadata. It seems like it takes some time. Let's give OpenSea some time to update the information about the contract. But yeah, here it is. Here is the token. So we can basically take any token, each of them, and reveal them. It is working. Cool. So this is the full life cycle of a collection contract. And that's all for this video. I really can't wait to show you all the features that are available in this tool. And if you have any questions or anything you would like to see in the next videos, please let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching, and bye.